Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Tell me why I jump out, I'm a house and Storm come. Hurricane come. We're supposed to come today, but I got a gym. I'm supposed to have one client, matter of fact 2 clients. But I don't know how the day I got set up because when I know real well, some part of Jamaica dark, like right over me right now, dark and rain a fall, and like me I look over the sun and it look bright. Sunny looking, blue skies, a little bit of cloud, but over people are buy up them grocery and something for the storm / hurricane. But anyways, I'm on my way I go into Kingston right now. I go gym, I'm supposed to meet up with Robin and go to the gym and then head to the shop for finding out what is what with my client. But yeah, that's the gist for the day. I'm supposed to even stop and get 1 and 2 little knickknacks for the storm. Those basic stuff I'm already done, so I just have to skip them there. Shucks. You know I forgot something my yarn? God. That's the motive for the day. I mean I bring one along. Hopefully the day can be a little bit more spontaneous with some stuff to do in a rain. But yeah, all my new subscribers, hey! I'm out white a while ago. Just brush my teeth. Hey my beautiful ladies and gents, oh my god, I'm so happy that you subscribe to my channel, that you love my content. I appreciate you so much. It's been 5 freaking years, you know, and you just find me, but no, I'm before time still, so but just jump in for me to know, say you may appreciate you so much. Let me give you some shout outs. Chevy, you long time there still. Maria, new, big up you. Girl, I don't know your name, but it's something RR something another. I put it on the screen. Big up you too. Binge watching all of guys, all of Yannick, everybody. The day ones them big up. Me I just put in a name on the screen right as right now because right now it not come to my head, but like we just appreciate I really and truly appreciate the comments and the love. Like truly not even know. Oh my god, if you could have seen my heart right now, it's a smile. Every time I would comment on my video they make my heart just a smile. Be a teeth. Just make me say yo, you know, continue to do what you do and you know try to reach out and lift up people with my spirit. Okay, sorry, what you do? Me afraid, you afraid, everybody afraid. Anyways guys, I'm gonna focus. I may have something to tell you now. I have something to tell you now what happened the other day. But I drive now, so I check on back in. Check in back with you soon. Alright guys, so I reached my shop. I meet up with Robin. So we each one journey. Half an hour later. Because I decided I'm not drive too fast in the weather here. The road wet. Slippery when wet. Good afternoon. I'm better than all the rest. I'm better than everyone. So that is guys. And you may do. Anyways, we're on way about well, we're not drive out yet. We're at the gym right now. You want it? I serve too long here, man. See my friend here, flaw them. Click all ear each up on it. Go eat it. See. Piece of some each up on it, put you butter lint. Whole lint get on the food. I fly dodo. Yeah. Me tell you no too long a while ago. Say me have something to tell you. The other day, I was home on Saturday. On Friday. Sunday? I haven't church. Anyways, I was home and I never have work early until in the evening. But I'm supposed to go gym with Robin. So, I me and I come to gym now. Whatever. I'm filming the record. No, I never the record. I never film them. But anyways, I drive casually. First thing first, I realized I drive about 120. I said, shit, why am I drive so fast? I sit on the dashboard. I said, no, so I drive too fast. I slow down. I drop it at 80. Anyway, somebody that drive only down 10 minutes. I never know somebody drive so fast.
Driver.
Only that 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes, I drive and I think to myself. I don't know why it come over my head, but I just say to myself, say, God, if anything ever happen to me in life where it harm me or cause me a danger to myself or whatever, please me I beg you, help me to think quick. Help me for just don't overreact or panic. So I say to myself now and drive, and I say, matter of fact, just hold the steering for me, God. Just hold the steering for me. You see, as I say that, guys, I see one patrol, I barely like swerve out a little bit. Guys, honestly right now, I don't even know if I even dropping on the patrol or what. But this is the car when I see the patrol, and this is like literally after I say this to myself. Matter of fact, I probably talk out loud when I say that. This is the car. For sure, no. True. I saw the car move. You want to see me scream, Mom? I say, God, I know I want you hold on by the steering. You're supposed to see me and people them the side of me. People them dash off. This is like in a quick 6 seconds. All this happen. You want to see me hold on by the steering and I try for. Guys, if me ever panic and press brakes, I can't either flip and dash. I would have been a dead girl. Moody days right now. You know, if I went for telling this, I'm like almost a week or a week ago. Almost a week ago. But I never tell you the last vlogging about me. I never get to tell you now. Guys, if you never believe in a God, make this what I tell you now, I'm gonna believe. Because I tell you, God is so freaking real. Guys, I panicked. Not my lie, I never panicked. I lie, I tell you, I never panicked. It more like I was in shock. Oh, but just I think this to myself, or I just I say this to myself out loud to God, and then God just like God show up himself. I say, yo, here now, me hear you, and anything you say or anything you know, just want to know, say, I want you to know some day. I feel like that he must try to say to me, guys. I don't know how me even get control back of the vehicle, but me get control back of the vehicle and pull over upon a soft soul, and my man have to come to slow down to me and say to me, say, yo, what happened? You dropping on a pothole or what? I say, yo. Him say, yo, God, the pioneer said that. As him said that to me, tell him, say, yo, I just as me about feel. Just as me said that to myself out loud or whatever, that happened to me. I say, yo, God, really? And I say, yo, if I never believe in a God, I start shaky. When I park up on it, I act shaky. I park up on the soft shoulder, I scream out and I say, yo, God, who could this be? But you? Who could this be but you? Eh? What's a blank for God?
Guys, I'm only acting like this now because it passed.
Yeah.
Because me did
I'm cry, yeah.
Me did bad.
And I cry for say, yo.
I said, Judge of God.
It just one.
Not only that, it's because the fact says she did on her way to me. So that would have just smash up my meds if somebody damn to her, you see me? Continue.
I'm sorry, but you don't too. Someone could even call her. Please call her.
And because I'm so attentive. I see the message right away.
Guys, I could be a dead corpse right now.
Visit here right now.
I tell you not to talk about not plan my funeral.
Huh?
I say this as it's coming like a joke or it just coming like something.
It's just like real. With the bus way. For me, you go send me a video, vlog your funeral settings. You just see a video, them just watch. Kiss my teeth.
Kiss my damn teeth. KMDT.
So let's see.
God, I see. I'm a know you're real. I'm a say you favor me in so many ways. Like, I can't even explain it. I'm wanting to understand what me I say to you guys. Don't ever feel like someone I scream out and I talk to God or if whatever, however I want to say it. I'm not listen to you, I'm not ear no. In my ear, you know. And I phone time and I when I want him to talk to you, I get the answers. Matter of fact, he probably have the answer on not even look clear. But sister, yo, in my answer. Guys, that is real. That is real and in favor you. Trust me. So whenever I go to get up, when I get up at morning time, that is in favor, you know. When I go left on the house on the yard and go back home safely to the picnic or the family then.
The documentary I watched yesterday with the woman dead because she tell the neighbor to give back her picnic iPad. The woman shut her through the door. I tell you say
Netflix.
And every day promise.
Yeah.
You might wake up today and go back on your bed later. So true. God and protect you, yeah.
So from this to God, guys. I'm see with this I'm afraid for even drive or nothing like that. I wasn't in no panicking mode for say yo.
Sure.
Yeah, I just feel like
Watch them.
me always know say him there about run me and price because some things that happen in people's life where never yet reach me and not even not wood.
No, because I heard that that's a weird ritual something about knocking wood.
Guys, no foolishness ever happened to me. No fumble double, dribble, wibble ever happened to me. Cause what? God favors me. When you see me sir, I talk to God every day. I'm not talk to him like, oh dear kind of God love him Father. I talk to him like me I talk to him now. Talk to him like that.
He's a Rosalie, come here, go so far.
I feel style?
I feel style.
I'm my style. Yeah. The car that wobble so too. I'm my style. Guys, don't play with God. Don't feel like I'm not here, no, whatever. And speak life over on the life. Don't get up every day and talk when I broke or nothing like that.
It's like
me rich.
Your intuition told you at that moment, you know, say.
No, I tell you, talk to
God. Talk to God, have a convo with you right now. You see that even a minute pass?
Not even seconds pass. Not even 10 seconds. No, not 10 seconds pass.
No, I say seconds would pass though. Not the 10 seconds, but seconds passed.
Right after I said that to God, sir. I cry. Why am I crying? Because
That's a big man. Soon as I say take it.
yeah. And then I scream out and I say, God, I know more I do it. I mean, just record the same time when it happened to me, guys. On that city,
You don't like all the phone?
the joy.
I'm not near careful.
No, like as it happened to me, I just take up the phone and record it. But I just that give thanks, guys. I just that scream out and I give thanks to God. That's all I would do. That's all I did that do. Scream out and I give thanks. And I make him know, say, yes, me hear, say you hear me. Me know you hear me. And I love say you hear me. Right away.
Like he was there at your beckoning call.
Tiffy, for sure, yes, Tiffy. I don't ever hear me answer this, but I will say this. I say, no, not even just that. Before I'm a drive a car, guys, me usually left work some bad late hours, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock at night time. Sometimes when woman and get takeaway and you know them go away there. I'm always say this to people. I say, don't harm to me, you know. Not harm to me. And it come like say one big, tall, strong spirit I walk with me. Well, me not say, but anybody will try for it, no? Them say. Me ever you never hear me say that you say like one big tall man I walk with me, but that's how I'm always say. Me don't know, me just always say that. But I got still. Or him have this energy surround me where God is real. And don't ever doubt him in no way, shape and form. I just come for telling you that. Pick up on yourself. Watch. That's time I'm supposed to come. I don't know if it'll come, but we'll see what the day go. I'm picking up now. Pick back on up. Pick on up back in the night. But I'm picking up before that still. But I just say, you know, make sure you have enough food on the house. Make sure say, you know, when fix up on fix up. Make sure you're safe and sound on the storm. But yeah, when I get one?
I thought I wanted to get you a bird. yogurt. So I could do like granola and yogurt for breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah, Greek yogurt. No one get there something the Scottish teach.
Everybody nice.
I'm a young girl like you.
But her face look a bit oldish.
Eh?
You know what I want to go? She can't be woman.
I have a side with myself. Anyways, 11 minutes me and talk on about the Lord. Our Lord and Savior.
Savior.
Be Savior. Anyways, me picking up back at the gym. Not the realest way. And another tip of phone left for now. You see the fasting thing there? Take it up. You're not in the church and holy than the door or whatever you want to call it. Holier than thou. Holier than thou. You don't have to do that. You don't have to be that. Faith or fast. But you see the fasting thing, they take it up. Whatever you want in life, just give, you know, not eat nothing, not drink nothing, not smoke nothing. Just take up on yourself. Do it for 3 days. 3 days or it's a fasting. Or if you don't want to do it, if you don't want to fast so for the whole day and then maybe in the night when you pick up and you don't catch up on the stomach. If you're not dead, you're not dead. Once you're not fast, I'm not dead though. But and in between them, in between the day, you not pray and I talk to God. And as I say, it not have to be no like you're calling a compassionate father. No, it not have to be like that. But talk to him with respect, of course. So take it up.
Hey, mommy, daddy.
And whatever you want, just talk to him about it. And watch it unfold. Watch it unfold. We have some testimony for going on and say, but not time for talk about that yet. But listen to me. Take it up. Take it up, pound yourself, and go fast.
Wait, so now right as they nearly dead, you get the next day. The next day you get.
Watch there.
Jesus have mercy, God.
Me say me have some Hey! Goosebumps, man. Eh? Catch on back now the next clip there. I don't want to get too spiritual at the place here.
She nearly dropped out. For the sake of content, she nearly bust her ass. Yeah. That'll teach you. You're off the curb. You rubbed off the curb.
Alright guys, so Wednesdays are for glutes and core. Yeah, we just agreed on that. So Monday we are gonna do. Mondays are for upper body. No, Mondays are for full body. Monday and Friday are full body. Tuesday, arm, back and arms. And then Wednesdays for glute and core. Thursdays is for legs, leg day. Thursday get leg alone. And Friday again, full body workout. So yeah, we are gonna do it thing downstairs now.
Bro, hold this thing up. Why are you bringing it down to you like that? Yeah. It's too heavy. 8. Come on. It's the willpower. Use your mind. You're doing this. 9, 10. Oh, what that? 11. 12. You know, come up, you know. 13. 14. Red.
Rolls Royce pull up, black boy hop out. Shout out to my mother and my father, they can pull out. MSG sell out, fucking niggas yap out. Whips on whips, my ancestors got the backside. 24500 stacks for the hood. Call me lumberjack, cause I wish a nigga would. Do it like I, this the wish a nigga could. Face they ain't getting paper like they should. Wait. Niggas ain't really on, they crack the shitty on. I hit Drizzy and told him I had a milli phone. I own my company's full, told him to keep the loan. I took the gold bitch home, niggas was big mad. I put that bitch on the shelf, so let it ventilate and bought another car, cause I ain't know how to celebrate. That good boy, that big bitch for all weather. Never ran Cali, came with an umbrella. Rolls Royce pull up, black boy hop out. Shout out to my mother and my father, they can pull out. The man she sell out, fucking with me gap out. Good credit score, this car really can't max out. 24500 stacks for the hood. Call me lumberjack, cause I wish a nigga would.
Help her soul, God. Just imagine that she batted it big. If she batted it big, how should I walk up push out? Hercules. Guys, walk today. Alright guys, we're tired. I go right now. I got one client, I got match up quick and fast and jump out. Alright guys, so this is my finished product. Ooh, looks so cute. Book your appointment guys, yeah.
No.
I could angle that. Alright guys, so I'm reaching the supermarket, done work and everything under the supermarket. The parking is full up, so you can just imagine how inside look. I'm going to take a look here. I'm going to take up my two little things them and come out. Alright, the line long like Jericho. No trolley in there. Not one trolley. What's a piece of carelessness? Hi. Watch out, guys. I have to put them something in my hand. In my hand, them go. What am I going to do with them, yeah? I don't know where to put them. Not trolley in there. Not like this. Not trolley in there. Carelessness. So I take up Kyle. I don't like this to me. I don't like this to me. Three of them here. Carelessness. Pack them up, son. Not even look at Anchally basket I can get, guys. Watch out. I'm a two little things them. I lift up about the place. Took up one half dozen banana. Look rain food. I'm cutting it down, guys. So after cutting it down. Girl, they are trying enough? I have to put it down. For take up them onion here. And something. Let's go again. Mr. Guys, guess I killed me. What him call it again? I have stomach problem a little bit. From a longer time, but taller time, but now it act up back for me for what reason I don't know. And today I go drink, eat whole chicken, whole fried chicken since evening, and then the callaloo fritters frying in the aisle, and then drink some cold water a while ago. Them that got bound for act it up. Bound for act it up. There's no bread no there. No bread no there. Even though I never gonna take up none, but just for sure you say when we Jamaicans hear the rain like a fall or come empty up the supermarket, I'm sure them love it when it rain and look storm and look rain fall. The supermarket them and the shop them. I forgot what I want. Crazy. Everything done. Every bread. Every single bread. Mercy God. Look at that. From yesterday gone. No bread. Oh guys, I'm finally get one little basket. And I don't pick up when I pick up. Hey guys, I am back home. Don't see me do little grocery shenanigans. And say me can catch up somewhere. Okay, I can't catch her now. Wait. Yeah, I'm catching up fine now. Find some catching now. But wait there. I'm gonna have a little light. Why you know? What? Turn off the light in the bedroom. Come and take a look. Say hey guys, look. Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
What's up?
Oh no, shirts and t-shirts.
Yeah.
Jacket.
Say good night, friends.
Come on, friends.
Say good night, friends.
Come on, friends.
It's not morning. I said good night.
Good night.
Yeah. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna pop out look grocery that I'm buy. Hi, stop. Expose me now. Yes, I pop out the grocery that I'm just buy. What else? I just be down whatever and just settle down. Rain tearing. I'm just buy a little cornflakes to me. I already have few cornflakes and father. Little crackers with a snack. That's the only snack I'm gonna snack. High milk. soy. I'm gonna mix it with little banana stuff. I don't even know what I do that. Just give it a little flavor, you know. And then flour finish, so I'm gonna buy one cup of flour. Box of matches, some candle in the drawer them, so yeah, just in case, No what I like that going, just a same amen. I look a pack of sugar, the sugar we have almost done. This is not no grocery, big shopping, nothing. You see me I say, just a little knickknacks. But fit for, just in case foolishness go on at the rain, we have something at the yard. You know what I say? Alright. And 3 box mac and cheese to carry. Let's make up that. 1 tin of bully beef. We have a couple in this already, so I'm just buy one extra one. One time guys, I usually eat bully beef hard. Every day I eat me a cook. Every day I love bully beef, but now sometimes I eat it. These last couple times I eat it, after I eat it, my chest feel like it that burn me. Yeah. Anyways, 6 banana, some tea mix, or cocoa tea mix, yes. And then some onion, because we don't remove the onion. And a pack of margarine. Yeah. Oh, and chicken. We buy chicken breast. Buy a chicken breast. But we buy some other stuff last night. Yeah. Buy some other stuff last night. Little snacks to carry really. Chicken, little round provision like pumpkin and whatever. Yeah. Oh, I buy one paper towel too. I never shown you that. I already put up on the thing right there, so I'm gonna show you. Paper towel over this one. But yeah. Oh guys, remember the whole surgery thing with me? It's in the box, sorry. Remember the surgery what me did do? Remember the surgery I did do on my arm? It's been a while since I even shown what I want with it, but this is it. Fully healed! Who can talk to me? Talk to me nice. Fully healed! The title that's right as a kind of a little bulge like keloid. You know how people have keloid skin here. I'm gonna shave. But it's not that bad. I'm gonna roll back here. But yeah, that is it. I know it's this kind of still fattish in a little way. I don't like that, you know. That's why I go hard for the gym now, you know. I'm gonna put on weight since I start the gym. Yeah. But I want the normal out and I want to just kind of have some kind of fat same me. But this is the end of the vlog, guys. We really hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you enjoy it right now in the comment section. Say yes, Kim, enjoy the vlog. What did I do? Big up everybody, as I said before, my new subscribers. Enough love and respect to you. Enough love and respect to no. I'm telling you something, I'm gonna tell you something, but I'm not telling you, I'm just show you. You see me, I say? Yeah. But anyways, really appreciate y'all and see y'all in the next one. Go and do the do. Love you know, appreciate you know. Until the next vlog, guys, which is another day. Bye.